girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Welcome back, loyalties. Look at y'all. Okay, so before we get into me showing you my little secret sauce on my eyebrows, this is the way that Portia used to do her eyebrows. I have 3 different ways that I do my eyebrows, but this one is the beginner friendly one that is much cheaper, much quicker. So let's get into it. So before we even get started, please make sure you moisturize your face. That's number 1. But right here, I am brushing my eyebrows back, and then I'm showing you that I am using a eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to outline my eyebrows. So there are many different ways you can do your eyebrows. You can use the liquid eyebrow pen, the liquid eyebrow. It's so many different things out there, but do not get overwhelmed. Just like what I'm doing in this video, just like so, just outline your eyebrows like this with the pencil eyeliner. It's gonna look a little crazy in the beginning, but just stick in there with me. I'm gonna make sure you get right. Everybody have different shades of complexions. There's different shapes of faces, different eyebrows. No way is the right way. Let me just tell you that. It's what works best for you. Right here is called a eyebrow spoolie. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to brush them, the eyeliner, I'm going to brush it up. And do not be super neat with this, because at the end, we're going to get it neat. We just smooth the eyeliner out so it's just not sitting there looking crazy. So at this point, I do go up and then I go back just like so in the video. I'm getting it nice and, smooth. Do not be super neat. It's okay, because we're going to go back and we're going to clean it up. We just want to smooth the fine lines out that the eyeliner had made. Keep going just like so. Ladies, do not get overwhelmed. There are a trillion and a million ways to do your eyebrows, and this is what works best for me. This is what you want to call it, the Portia P secret sauce. All right, so we're going to the other eyebrow, and I'm doing the same thing that I just did to the right eyebrow. Let me see, wait, in the video that was so this is the right eyebrow. You just keep going up with it, and you're just smoothing out those fine lines, giving your eyebrow a little bit more fullness. I also want to add that some people use black and brown eyeliner. It's up to your liking. Yes, we got to get this right, honey. So now all I'm doing is getting my contour palette colors, and this is the color that I chose. You can choose whichever one to your liking depending on your complexion. Some say you don't want to go too light, you don't want to go too dark. This is the one that Portia shows. You can, like I said, choose whichever one to your liking. Please, this is the part where you need to make sure that you are being very neat. You have to have a steady hand at this point, because if not, you get to shaking, you're going to mess up your eyebrow. So let's be neat. Okay. So just keep going. I am outlining my eyebrow, and then I'm going to go to the right side. Continue the same process, just like so. Be very neat. Okay, so once you finally get done with doing all of this, you can kind of like shape your eyebrows if you want to go a little bit thinner, if you want to go a little bit thicker. It's up to you. Me personally, I don't like my eyebrows too thin, and I don't like them too thick. So just make sure you take your time at this part and you are outlining your eyebrows to your liking. And make sure, I don't like my tips of my eyebrows too long either. Some people do, but I don't. Okay, so I'm checking myself out, and I'm just going back in and making sure it's nice and crisp, just like so. And that's another thing as well. I am not putting on a full face of makeup in this video. I'm only going to do just my foundation. Normally I do contour, so right here we're going up the middle of my nose, and so this is the part where you want to make sure that you are pushing your eyebrows back far enough where they are not touching, where you do not have a unibrow. Please, some people might like that. I don't. This is how Portia do it. I push mine back to my liking so that it don't be too close together. So like I was saying, I am not doing a full face of makeup on this tutorial. I am only doing my foundation. I will not be contouring and baking, even though that is what I do, but not in this video. It's about the eyebrows. So right here, keep blending this out. Normally some girls, they like to wear their their eyebrows like this and just wear it just like this without foundation, but I'm gonna be putting foundation on. So if that's what you want to do, keep blending the contour palette color out. Now right here, I am applying my foundation. That's all I'm doing in this video, is applying my foundation. I'm not contouring. So I got my foundation, I am blending it out. And then make sure once you put your foundation on, you outline your eyebrows again, okay, so that it can match with your foundation, because you don't want to have the top part of your face light with your contour palette colors and then the rest with your foundation. It's not going to look right. Make sure you go back over your whole face with your foundation, the lower part of your face, and your eyebrows, and just blend it out where it looks nice and neat. And you're welcome. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell post notification button so every time I post a video, you'll know. Kisses.